giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my apple.
Ito na guys, i-mix and blender natin. So, tingnan natin ang color. So, pwede tayong mag-add ng color kung hindi na yung color. So, hindi ko na kasi green yung gamit natin. So, dadagdagan natin ng powder para maging ano siya, maging red yung color niya. Spicy talaga. Spicy to guys, pero yung color niya
Emotional damage.
Diba na guys, mag-mix na. Okay guys, tutuloy natin. So, titikman natin kung anong lasa ng ating spicy sauce. Pino na.
Oh my God! Wow!
Tama na ako ha. So, dagdagan natin ng konting chili powder para mas kumakapit naman. Okay. So, ganyan lang guys ang paggawa ng spicy sauce. I-mix ng lahat, lagay ng lahat ng ingredients, tapos bi-blender. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin, i-ano natin siya para mawala yung mga buto-buto ng ano. So ang gagawin natin is salain natin yung spicy. So ganito na ang forma guys. Ito, tingnan ninyo yung. Pero pag gumagamit tayo ng red chili, yung chili na pula talaga, so mas red siya. Talagang maganda tingnan yung ano niya, color niya pag red. So ginagamit na kasi tayo ngayon yung green na ano. Pero yung anghang at saka yung lasa niya is the same. So okay. So tapos na po to, ilagay na natin ito na to sa lagayan. So sana guys may nakuha kayong kaalaman sa aking ginagawa ngayon, paggawa ng spicy sauce. At pwede nyo gawin to sa bahay. Hindi gaano kalaki ang gagastusin natin, maliit lang. At ilang araw na to natin gagamitin. So kailangan lang guys, pag nailagay ito sa lagayan, ilagay lang natin sa chiller lagi, huwag natin ilagay sa labas. So kung sobrang init, posible na mapanis siya. So pag di natin gagamitin, lagay natin sa chiller para natili yung freshness at hindi siya nasisira. Okay guys, thank you for watching. At don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Bonster.